they're a great team. We actually watched them play Villanova, a very good Villanova team, and they played well against them. So they're a tough team, and we're going to have our hands full.
How big of a difference does Jordan bring for you guys now that he's playing kind of as confident and as loose as he is?
Yeah, Jordan's playing real confident right now, and he provides a lot. He gives us confidence knowing we can get out there and pressure the guards, and if we get beat, he's back there cleaning up shots, contesting shots, and Chris is doing a good job too.
When did you see this team could be a Elite Eight Final Four type of thing? Did you know it when it started to take a while to see kind of how it was going to come together?
Yeah, it was a slow start for us, but we practiced hard, we worked hard for this, and we're all just hitting our stride and playing confident right now.
I feel like you guys are playing all kind of together, obviously about as well as you have, kind of that Pac-12 tournament through now?
Yeah, I think that's what we pride ourselves on. We try to go out there and just make plays for each other and be aggressive.
Elgin, when you get two teams that are so wing or perimeter oriented, like you guys in Oklahoma, where you guys have 5 that go out, they have 4, does that change the dynamic at all, or is that something that you're looking forward to?
No, I don't think it changes the dynamic. We're just going to come out and play Oregon basketball. We're not going to get out of the character. We're just going to try to make it tough on them.
Dylan said in there that Coach Kruger and Coach Altman are boys. Is that add anything to the game for you guys, knowing that that's kind of his Coach Kruger is Coach Altman's mentor?
Not really. We're just going to come out and try to play hard, leave it all out there. We're playing, obviously we're playing for something bigger than us, but at the same time we're just going to come out and be relaxed and try to lay it all out there.
You give a lot of attention to Buddy Hield, obviously, but is there a risk factor in maybe giving too much and letting their other guys have big games? It seems like that's what A&M did on Thursday, and a lot of their other players had big games.
No, we know they're all talented. They got a bunch of players who can just go out there and make tough shots, but at the same time, I don't think Buddy Hield's a great player as well, so we got to pay attention to him.
What's the key of playing against a guy like him, where it seems like he can score in any part of the floor, he can get hot real quick and just start bombing threes? And
yeah, he's confident. He can do it all, but it's going to take a team effort, and we're just going to try our best to run him off the line.
You guys have talked during this tournament how you guys kind of feel like you've been slept on a lot. Do you like playing with that chip on your shoulder? Is that kind of something that's been pushing you guys?
It doesn't really bother me. I'm fine flying under the radar. Like, it's no pressure on us. We're just going out there to play.
How do you guys deal with those? I mean, you guys obviously had some quick turnarounds during the regular season, but now it's, kind of one after the other, and as the intensity kind of ramps up, how do you guys deal with those?
It's fun. It's basketball. We live for these moments, and it's a dream growing up as a kid. It's a dream for a lot of people now. We're just living in the moment. You don't get these opportunities that much.
Is there a game where maybe you guys won that it became, in your eyes, we potentially might not be Final Four good or Elite Eight good, we are Final Four good? Was there a point in time for you that clicked?
Not really. I guess in practice, just trying to get better day by day and coming down and competing.
Is there a hard not to think ahead because it's been so long since your team has gotten this far?
It's not that hard to think ahead at all. Just can't get focused and know the task at hand. We got a great Oklahoma team, and that's our main focus right now.